Are you tired of losing your place during presentations because you can't see your notes? You're standing there, talking to a room full of people, but you keep having to sneak a glance at your laptop screen just to remember what comes next. It completely breaks your flow. Learn how to use Presenter View in Google Slides and never miss a beat. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Presenter View, start your slideshow, and use the notes and controls to deliver a flawless presentation. No more awkward fumbling. So let's start by locating the Slideshow button in the top right corner of your Google Slides window. Now, a lot of people just click this button and jump straight into full screen mode. I've seen it happen all the time. But if you do that, you're only seeing the same slide that your audience sees. You have no idea what your notes say, and you can't peek ahead at what's coming next. So here's what you want to do instead. Instead of clicking the Slideshow button itself, you want to click the little drop-down arrow that is sitting right next to it. It's a tiny arrow, and it's easy to miss if you're in a hurry. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal your options. And one of those options is going to be the game changer for your entire presentation workflow. Now, go ahead and click Presenter View from that drop-down menu. This is the magic button. When you click it, your presentation will start, but you get a completely different experience than your audience does. They see the slideshow full screen on the projector or the big monitor. But on your screen, you get a control panel that shows you everything you need. Once you are in Presenter View, this is where the real power kicks in. Your audience is looking at the current slide on the big screen, but on your laptop, you see a whole dashboard. Let's explore each feature, because this is where we go from nervous presenter to total pro. On the left side of your Presenter View, you'll see a large preview of your current slide. And right underneath that, you'll see a smaller preview of the next slide. That is huge. You can actually see what's coming up before you switch to it. This means no more awkward pauses while you try to figure out what you forgot to prepare. You can already start walking toward the next point mentally while you are still finishing up the current one. On the right side of your screen, you'll see your speaker notes. If you typed any notes into the box at the bottom of your slide editor before the presentation, they show up right here in nice large text. You can even adjust the font size of these notes so you can read them easily from a distance. And here is a really important tip from my experience. Use your notes as a safety net, not a script. Just glance at them to remind yourself of your key talking points or the exact statistic you want to quote. Don't read them word for word. Your audience will notice you staring at your screen. Down at the bottom of the Presenter View, you will see a couple of extremely useful tools. There is a timer. I love this feature. It counts up so you can track exactly how long you have been speaking. This is perfect for keeping your pace on track. And if you are giving a presentation with a strict time limit, you can easily glance at that timer to know when you need to start wrapping up. You'll also see a tiny gear icon for settings and a button that says Exit Slideshow. But the coolest control, in my opinion, is the Slide Navigator. You might see a small grid icon or a thumbnail view button. If you click that, you can jump to any slide in your entire presentation instantly. If someone asks a question that relates to a slide you showed 10 minutes ago, or if you need to skip ahead, you just click that slide and you are there. Your audience will never see you fumbling through thumbnails to find the right one. It just happens seamlessly. So now that you know exactly how to use Presenter View, there is really no reason to ever present without it again. It gives you your notes, it gives you your slide previews, and it gives you complete control over the flow. Go ahead and open up one of your slide decks right now. Try out the drop-down arrow and give yourself that presenter superpower. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.